The universe is under no obligation to make sense to you, or to anyone. It simply is. Its mysteries are vast, its rules indifferent to our understanding. For millennia, humans have gazed at the night sky and wondered, what are those lights? What secrets do they hold? How far away are they? Are we alone? What lies beyond the reach of our eyes and our imagination? This relentless curiosity is our engine of discovery, the force that pushed us across continents and eventually beyond our world. It's the same spark that led ancient navigators to cross oceans and modern scientists to launch rockets skyward. In the 20th century, that same drive sent us reaching for the cosmos, daring us to leave the safety of Earth and venture into the unknown. Exploration is in our DNA. We are explorers compelled to seek out new frontiers, whether on distant planets or in the depths of our own oceans. When we send a probe into the darkness, we're sending a piece of ourselves, our senses, our questions, across unimaginable distances. Each mission is a leap of faith, a testament to our willingness to risk and to dream. The story of space exploration is humanity's greatest adventure, a testament to our ingenuity and hope. It's a saga written in rocket fuel, stardust, and the courage to ask, what's out there? Consider the scale. Our sun is one star among hundreds of billions in the Milky Way, itself one of countless galaxies. The universe stretches farther than we can truly comprehend, a tapestry of light and shadow. Faced with this immensity, it's easy to feel small, even insignificant, as if our lives are mere flickers in the cosmic night. But we are not passive observers. We are participants. We shape our destiny by daring to ask questions and seek answers. We build tools to probe the unknown, sending robotic emissaries to endure the harshness of space and return with knowledge. These machines extend our reach, allowing us to touch worlds we may never visit in person. These machines are our proxies in the cosmic wilderness, braving radiation, cold, and distance to bring us closer to the stars. We listen, pointing radio dishes skyward, straining to hear the faintest whispers from our distant explorers. Every signal is a thread connecting us to the unknown. Each bit of data is a precious gift, telling us about storms on Jupiter, Saturn's rings, the chemistry of alien atmospheres, and the secrets of distant moons. And the cold expanse between stars, a silent gulf that challenges our technology and our imagination. It's a dialogue between humanity and the universe, a conversation that's lasted decades, growing richer with every mission, every discovery. One of the most important voices in that conversation belonged to a traveler named Voyager 1, a tiny spacecraft with a monumental mission. Its story is our story, a story of ambition, ingenuity, and the desire to reach beyond our limits. Voyager 1 is more than a machine. It's a symbol of our reach, our questions, and our hope. It carries our dreams, our music, and our message to the stars. As we listen to its faint signal, we're reminded that our quest for understanding is unending. Each echo from Voyager is a reminder that we are still searching, still learning. The universe may not make sense to us, but our desire to explore it defines who we are. It is this longing that unites us across generations and cultures. And so, we reach for the stars again and again. With every question, every mission, we take another step into the unknown, driven by wonder and hope. What is Voyager 1? It's more than just a spacecraft. It's a symbol of human curiosity and ambition, a silent traveler carrying our hopes into the unknown. A marvel of human engineering, launched in 1977, a robotic explorer no bigger than a small car with a computer less powerful than your phone. Yet, it was built to last, designed to journey farther than any machine before it. Its mission, a grand tour of the outer solar system, then onward, forever, venturing into the vastness beyond our sun's reach. NASA used a rare planetary alignment, slingshotting Voyager from Jupiter to Saturn, using gravity as a cosmic billiard cue. This clever maneuver saved years of travel time and precious fuel. Its instruments, cameras, magnetometers, plasma detectors, became our remote senses, allowing us to see, measure, and understand worlds we could never visit ourselves. Powered by a nuclear battery, it could survive where solar panels could not, enduring the darkness and cold of deep space for decades. For over 4 decades, Voyager 1 sent back images and data, reshaping our understanding of the gas giants and revealing their storms, rings, and moons in breathtaking detail. It survived radiation, cold, and distance, becoming a symbol of endurance and the relentless spirit of exploration. Its journey was more than science. It was a pilgrimage, humanity's first step into the vast ocean between the stars, carrying a golden record with greetings from Earth. Voyager 1's Odyssey is a testament to our drive to explore, to endure, and to reach beyond, inspiring generations to look up and wonder what lies ahead. Its story is a beacon for all who dream of the unknown, reminding us that our quest for discovery never truly ends. Strapped to Voyager 1 is a golden phonograph record, a message, a time capsule, a carefully crafted artifact meant to outlast us all. It's a greeting card to the cosmos, a way of saying, "We were here," to anyone or anything that might one day find it. Carl Sagan called it a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, a poetic gesture of hope and curiosity. The golden record contains 115 images, greetings in 55 languages, sounds of nature, thunder, laughter, a baby's cry, and music from Bach to Chuck Berry, capturing the diversity and creativity of our world. Its cover is an instruction manual, with diagrams showing how to play it, the location of our sun, and even mathematical clues for decoding its secrets. The chances of it being found are infinitesimal. Voyager won't approach another star for 40,000 years, drifting silently through the vast emptiness. But the real audience was always us, humanity, looking outward and inward at the same time. Creating the record forced us to see ourselves from a cosmic perspective, to reflect on what truly defines us. If you had to summarize humanity in one small package, what would you include? What story would you tell the universe? The golden record is a statement of hope, a symbol of our desire to connect, to be remembered, and to reach beyond ourselves. It's optimism etched in gold, drifting through the stars, carrying our dreams and questions into the unknown. Even if it's never found, it tells us who we are and what we hope to become. And that, perhaps, is its greatest legacy, a golden reminder of our place in the universe. Voyager 1's primary mission: explore Jupiter and Saturn. At Jupiter, it revealed swirling storms and discovered active volcanoes on Io, proof that even distant moons could be alive with fire. At Saturn, it unveiled the complexity of the rings and found Titan's thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. These discoveries rewrote textbooks and inspired a generation of scientists. The images became iconic: Jupiter's clouds, Saturn's rings, transforming distant points of light into real dynamic worlds. After Saturn, Voyager 1 was flung out of the ecliptic, toward the edge of the solar system. Its new mission, the Voyager Interstellar mission, to become the first human-made object to leave the sun's influence. The grand tour was over, but the greatest journey was just beginning. Voyager 1 was now on a one-way trip into the cosmic dark. Its odyssey had only just begun. After Saturn, Voyager 1 sailed into the outer darkness. In 1990, it took the famous pale blue dot photo, Earth as a single pixel, a humbling reminder of our place. Its cameras were shut off to save power, but its other instruments kept listening. Its destination, the heliopause, where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. In 2012, the data changed. Solar particles dropped, cosmic rays surged. Voyager 1 had crossed the heliopause, entering interstellar space. It was now over 20 billion kilometers from home, its signal taking nearly 20 hours to reach Earth. Still, it sent back data from the unexplored void. Humanity had its first eyewitness in the interstellar dark. As Voyager 1 ventured deeper, its signals grew faint. Its nuclear battery waned, systems aged. Each day of contact was a gift, managed carefully by NASA's team. Then, in early 2025, the signal changed. Months of glitches had plagued the probe, but this was different. A final, coherent data packet arrived. It was structured, clear, but unlike anything seen before. After this, the data stream fell silent. Engineers tried everything, resets, backups, but there was no response. The loss of contact was profound, the end of an era. Voyager 1, our tenacious explorer, had finally fallen silent. Now a ghost ship, it drifted on, carrying its golden record. The final signal became an object of intense scrutiny. The truth behind it was more unsettling than anyone expected. NASA decoded Voyager 1's last message, not a system error but a repeating, complex binary sequence. It didn't match any known format. It was structured, deliberate, and alien to the probe's systems. The data referenced the golden record, especially human biology and Earth's location, but included measurements far beyond Voyager's capabilities. It was as if something had accessed Voyager's memory, appended its own observations, and sent the package home. The implication: the probe had been intercepted by an unknown intelligence. This was not the first contact we'd imagined. No greeting, just a demonstration of superior ability. The message seemed to say, "We see you, we know who you are, we know where you're from." Then, silence. The true nature of the signal was classified. The official story was a simple failure. The truth was deemed too unsettling for the world to know. The official end of Voyager 1 was celebrated as a triumph. But for those who knew the truth, the silence was heavy. For the first time, our cosmic shout had received a reply, one that was chillingly ambiguous. We had always sent messages into the void, never expecting an answer. Now someone had heard us. The silence became a new kind of loneliness. Not the solitude of being alone, but the unease of being watched. Should we continue to broadcast our existence? The question became urgent. The pale blue dot image took on deeper meaning. Our only home, fragile and irreplaceable. The silence from Voyager 1 is a reminder. The universe is not necessarily friendly or empty. It is simply unknown. Our responsibility to protect our world and each other has never been clearer. In the cosmic dark, we are both explorers and guardians. Voyager 1's story, even with its unsettling end, is a story of human triumph. It represents our curiosity, intelligence, and courage to reach for the unknown. Its discoveries rewrote our understanding of the universe and inspired generations. Voyager proved that long-duration deep space missions are possible. Its final, secret signal reminds us to explore with caution as well as wonder. We will keep looking, listening, and learning, building better telescopes, sending new probes. Voyager 1 will drift for millions of years, a silent ambassador of Earth. Perhaps one day, the silence will be broken. Until then, our quest to understand the universe has only just begun.